Japan wasn't always the brilliant nation we admire today. It rose from unimaginable destruction. How did a nation with limited land and no major natural resources become a global giant? Today, Japan stands as the world's third largest economy, home to robotics, precision engineering, but 80 years ago, everything was gone. Cities reduced to ashes, millions hopeless. No food, no fuel, no factories. Japan faced one of the darkest moments each its. But Japan made a choice: rebuild with discipline, education, and unity. Japan invested heavily in education, creating a culture where learning became a national mission. A culture of punctuality, precision, and hard work became Japan's secret weapon. In the 1960s, Japan launched an industrial revolution focused on quality over everything. By the 1980s, Japan shocked the world. Its tech was decades ahead. Toyota, Honda, Nissan, brands built with flawless engineering, soon conquered the world.
Sony, Panasonic, and Sharp turned Japan into the world's electronics capital.
The bullet train changed everything: faster, safer, and more reliable than any rail system.
Tsunamis, earthquakes, yet Japan always stood back up.
Highways, tunnels, bridges, Japan built infrastructure years ahead of others.
In Japan, mastering a skill isn't a job, it's a lifelong commitment.
A nation where cleanliness is culture, where order shapes everyday life.
Japan blended tradition with innovation, creating something truly unique.
Anime became a global phenomenon, carrying Japanese values to millions.
Japan developed cutting-edge healthcare, giving its people the highest life expectancy on Earth.
Eco-friendly tech, hybrid cars, smart recycling, Japan leads green innovation. Japan remains a global economic superpower built on stability and innovation.
A society built on trust, where crime is among the lowest in the world.
Every train arrives on time because precision is a national identity.
Japan leads robotics, machines that assist, heal, and transform industries. AI, quantum tech, robotics, Japan is shaping the next century. Yet through all progress, Japan holds on to its values: respect, honor, harmony. Japan teaches us, progress starts with discipline, unity, and vision.
Japan explores space with advanced satellites and lunar missions.
Japan engineered buildings that can sway, bend, and survive powerful quakes.
Behind every success is the Japanese spirit: quiet, resilient, unstoppable.
No matter the challenge, Japan rebuilds, rethinks, and rises again.
From ashes to innovation, Japan reinvented itself in just one lifetime.
Japan proves greatness is not given, it is built, day by day. A nation can fall. A nation can rise.
If you want more inspiring stories, subscribe and stay with us.